What's up, man? This is Mr. Waddle Says. So this week we got one of the mods, and I'm hyped. So we got it's finally here. Probably don't know what this is. The E85 kit that I got for the Mero, and it's gonna add some pretty good horsepower to the car. All I gotta do is have my mans install it, and then we could just throw a little tune on there, put some E85 in there, hopefully get some good gains. On top of that, throw them tires on there, and some extra little doodads that we waiting to come in. I ain't gonna spoil it just yet, but I'm getting my Instagram and all my social media stuff put up here on the sides. And that's easy to do. That's pretty much it. And we just waiting on the next set of mods to come in so we can take them to the tuner, have them installed, and go crazy. Let's take a look at the front, man. Oh yeah, and I was just thinking about my motorcycle too. My homie Corey's getting a motorcycle, and he made me think about mine, so I might have to go ahead and get a little battery for it, man. All right. Like I said, that's this week's video. Nothing special, Really just waiting on all my parts to come in. I ordered them like last Friday, so whenever those parts come in, like I said, take them to the tuner. We finna get crazy. We finna get rowdy this summer. Not playing. All my boys are pretty much already got their cars rowdied up over the winter, so finna go ahead and get it right. I got the slided rotors, the new brakes. So far, I'm gonna try to grab some slicks, but I ain't gonna say nothing else. We're just gonna wait till they come in. That's Mr. White SS. I'll see y'all next week, man.